In this video, you will be learning about cables to go boxes and document cameras. What we will be doing is creating a setup where the computer can be displayed on the monitor as well as a projector, and the document camera can either be displayed on the projector or on both the projector and monitor. You will need to ask the user whether they want the document camera displayed on the projector or if they would like it to display on the projector and monitor. The first setup I will show you is having the computer always display on the monitor, with the projector being able to switch between the computer and the document camera. What you need is a cables to go box, a document camera, a male to female VGA cable, two regular VGA cables, a computer, monitor, and projector. For this setup, the output on the computer will go into the input on the cables to go box using the male to female VGA cable. From here, the video will be split between the monitor and the input on the document camera. From there, the output on the document camera will go to the projector. This will display only the computer on the monitor, and the projector can either display the document camera or the computer. The way to switch between the document camera and the computer displaying on the projector is a button on the document camera labeled camera/PC. Here's what a working setup will look like. You can see the input on the document camera is coming from the cables to go box. The output on the document camera is going into the projector. The cables to go box has the input taken up by the computer, with one output going to the monitor and the other to the document camera. In this setup, the monitor will only display the computer, while the projector can either display the computer or the document camera. The second setup we can create is to have both the document camera and the computer displaying on the monitor and projector. With this setup, however, the monitor and projector have to display the same thing. The document camera or computer will be displayed on both at the same time. You will need everything needed from the last setup. The cables will just go to different places. To start, the output on the computer will go into the input on the document camera. From there, the output on the document camera will go to the input on the cables to go box. This will need to be a male to female VGA cable. Then, the two outputs on the cables to go box will go into the projector and the other into the monitor. This will allow the document camera to switch between displaying the document camera or the computer. However, the displays will be showing the same thing on the monitor and projector. This is a setup that was put together incorrectly. As you can see, there is nothing coming out of the output on the document camera. This means that the document camera will never display anything. The projector and monitor can only ever display the computer.